All right, Bitcoin is up 2%, as you can see right here. Bitcoin dominance is up 1%, and all the other coins are basically in red or not really doing anything. The reason why all these other coins are not doing anything is because of Bitcoin dominance. I expected the bounce over here. It didn't. It came down, it came lower, but it's bouncing. But this bounce is all right. Let's just get this off because that's invalid. Let's take that off because that's already happened. Let's get rid of this. So what's next? What do I see Bitcoin dominance doing? Just for those that don't know, let me explain something to you. Whenever this pumps, whenever this pumps, all the old coins go down. Whenever this dumps, all the old coins go up. Right now, the reason why all the other coins are on red is because it's having a little pump. But this little pump, I'm not worried. Like, it's already made a lower low. So I expect it to come to, even if it comes to here, it don't matter. This is what I want from it. Let's change this to white, yellow. I want something like this. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for that. If that happens, happy days. All the longs, everyone that's bet on the market to go up, they'll start winning. But if this does the opposite, and if it just starts pumping, if it just goes like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, then all the people that want the market to go down, the people that shorted, they'll be winning. But either way, this is why the market's not looking good right now for all those people that want a long. But for all the shorts, I mean, it's looking all right. There's not big moves, but they're still making a little 2%, 3% here. But for me personally, once it broke, look, it went to 59. So that means it's a good sign that, look, we made this was the previous low at 60.51, and this is the new low, 59.73. That's a lower low. That's a bearish sign. So even if it comes up here, does a lower high, comes back down, that's normal. That would be the trend right now. And you know what they say, the trend's your friend to the end. Anyways, I'm making a quick video showing you what I'll do at this moment of time. I'll look at the strongest coins. So far, the strongest coins from my watch list is Solana, that's up 1.9%. I know I keep talking about ENA, but look at that. You can't make this shit up. If you haven't seen my other videos about ENA, I suggest you go and watch it. I literally explain to you how to enter in this trade, when to sell. But obviously I did sell early. I sold, where is it? We need to go on the hourly. I sold here, right here. Am I pissed? Yes, because it went up another 15%. But you need to understand something. I sold here because look, it's resistance. This is all resistance. Yeah, if I go on the 4 hour, you see all down here, it's all resistance. 69 was a resistance. So I didn't want the price could have easily just done this. Because I entered down here, right? It could have easily just gone boom, boom, came here, 69, and then started going down. It could have easily started doing dumb shit like that. I was happy with my gains. And that's another thing when it comes to taking profit. Like when it comes to taking profit, no one can tell you when to take profit. Whenever you look at that profit and it makes you feel happy, it makes you feel Like you're that guy, or it makes you want to tell your friend or your wife, or it makes you want to call your mom and be like, look how much money I made today, mom. That's your sell signal, innit? Like literally, that's when you should be like, boom. You should just take a screenshot, sell, and then show people, innit? But obviously sometimes market will fuck around and they'll pump it and then make it go up a bit more. But who cares, bro? You still made profit. Do you see what I'm trying to say? That's the way I do it anyways. But cool. I'm making this video right now. I actually thought whilst I was making this video, I might even enter a trade. Like, what trade do I want to enter? None of them looks good, you know. That's just me being real. Band, I mean, if you come back down here, I might enter. Nothing really looks good. And this is a very good lesson as well. You know, sometimes not doing nothing is doing something. Yeah? Like sometimes not trading is actually the best thing that you could do, because you can just it's called force a trade. You can force a trade and you lose money, and then you start revenge trading. Sometimes you just need to chill. Like the whole day today I chilled. I looked at the market, saw what was going on. Like really nothing's going on. I could have longed Bitcoin, but that's dead. Like what am I gonna do with a 2% move? That's dead. Could have longed it here, but it could have easily came down here. Didn't. I like to trade when the trades come to me. Like you see when I'm out there chasing trades, that's dead. That's the way I do it. But I love to hear how you lot do it. I love to hear how you lot would trade this market right now. I just basically showed you, look, nothing's going on. Like the most you're seeing is a 2%, 3% down, and the most you're seeing is a 2% up. Like, what would you do? Would you trade this market or would you just chill? The weekly candle close is about to close in the next hour and 45 minutes. Hour and 45 minutes. The weekly candle will close. Bitcoin will probably, let's go on the weekly. So last week it closed here. It closed at 114k. This week it's looking like it's gonna close around here. So that's a good sign. So on the weekly, Bitcoin's looking good, looking bullish. That's the 9. It's bounced off on the 9 SMA. That's the SMA right there. Let's hide that. So ideally, the week that's coming should be good for Bitcoin because it just broke a higher week than the previous week. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Anything can happen. You can't just trade. You can't just long Bitcoin based on that. You still need to wait for more confirmations. But other than that, what else we got, man? Cool. On my first video, I showed you what trades I was looking at. I was looking at SNX. I was looking at Uni. So let's go to Uni. Look at that. Beautiful entry on Uni. I missed this move. I said it's all right. I missed the move up. I said it's all right. I needed to come back. Cool. So I missed this move, right? It went up. So on my other video, I basically said it's cool as long as it comes down, use as a retest and go up. And it obviously done that. Like, does this make me a genius or does this mean I can predict the future? No. This is just simple market structure. This is just simple, just trading, just taking it step by step, man. Literally, it broke this resistance, it came up, it came back down, used it as support onto the next one, which was this. It broke that onto the next one. Obviously, it didn't come down and use it as support. It's below, it's broke below it. So now what? So now it's just literally waiting time. Are you gonna come down here and then go on another move, do something like that? Or are you just gonna come down, bearish retest, and come back down here and start the whole move again? Like it can only do them two things in it. So right now, instead of gambling, I rather wait. I mean, I got in here, I sold down here. Like, so I don't mind waiting. I don't mind. Like, me personally, though, if I want to enter this trade, I want it to come back down here because it didn't really it didn't use as a retest. Come back to here, and then we go. Come back to right here. This would be the new entry. Let's turn that to green. $10 0.132. That'll be the new entry. That I'll get excited if I see uni around those prices. But yeah, what's the other one? SNX. SNX. I missed SNX because I wanted, obviously, when it was going up, I wanted it to do something like this. I saw it going up. Yeah, I thought it was gonna come here, get rejected, come back down here, and then off to the move. Off to the moon. But it didn't do that. It went just a bit higher. So yeah, like I said in my other video, I missed this move by 2%. But I did, on my next video, I did explain to you where the next safe entry would be, which would be breaking this green line, come back, use it as retest, boom, it done that. Now, obviously, a new entry would be simple. Break that, retest, moon mission. The way I trade is simple. Like, I just try to keep it as easy, simple. Look, you don't see the most craziest indicators. I got my RSI, I got my 9 SMA. I'll go into another video why I use them, when I use them, and all of that. This is just gonna be a quick video giving you a market update basically. Boring, fuck all to do. Days like this, you should just chill with your family and just spend time with your loved ones, man. Because when the market gets easy, that's when we go crazy. That's when we go ham. Like, I really thought I could do a little scalp trade, get into one of these coins. Yeah, and I guess that's not happening. That's not happening. Oh, I had my Maxi account right here. Yep, I was ready to do a little thing just to show you like how I trade, but I can't force a trade. That's one of my rules. I don't force trades. Fuck coin, let's look at that. I mean, Shotcoin's still looking alright because I said entry would have been on my other video. If you haven't seen it, go and look at it. I said the break of this green line and retest will be the entry. It done that way. It tried it once, came down, came up, and then done it over here, right? Let's zoom in just to show you. So when it broke here, it came back, retest, boom. That's still a nice little move. Let's measure the move quickly from the retest, which was over here, to the highest 10% move. 10x leverage, you've doubled your money. 5x leverage, you've got 50% of whatever you put in. So if you put £1,000 in here and use 5x leverage, you'd have made £500. I mean, yeah, that's all right, but I mean, look, as long as uni's doing this, if this is a low, that's a high low, that's another high low. This needs to get confirmed as a high low. The only time that, let's change it to white. The only time this can get confirmed as a high low is when the price action breaks its previous high. Once it breaks its previous high, so basically once it does this, it's here right now. If it does this, some bullshit like that, then we'll change this to blue. That's another high low. Yeah, but right now though, it's looking all right because it's had a 40% drop from here to here. It was like, what is it, 40%? Highest to the bottom, 48%. It's had its 48%. It's only right it does a little bounce. That's where we're at with this right now. If you ask me how would I trade this, I wouldn't. I mean, I would trade it once we break here, and that's how I do it. I'll miss out on all of this drama. I would want it to do this. Break, retest, tap here. It's still a nice move because there's a lot of selling pressure up here. Whenever you see red on my charts, that's basically sell, sell. Whenever you see green, that's entry. That's buy, buy, buy. So from this new thing to here to there, that's a nice move. It's a 19% move. That looks nice. So if altcoin comes anywhere around here, I'm involved. Apart from that, yeah, man, it's a quick one. Shit, market shit. Like, remember I told you one of my rules. Sometimes not doing nothing is doing something. But yeah, I'm out.